Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes solution for Sihost.exe unknown hard error in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type PowerShell in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. Wait until it completes 100%. After completes 100%, restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.